Hi guys! Have you ever posted a video on YouTube and thought, what if I also shared this on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram? Would that get me more views? Or is that just a waste of time? Here's the truth. Promoting your YouTube videos on other platforms can either give your channel a serious boost, or it can completely drain your energy with very little return. In this video, I'll break down when it works, when it doesn't, and how to do it the smart way. Welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, your go-to channel for real YouTube growth tips, monetization hacks, and success strategies. If you want to grow faster and smarter in 2025, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, hit that like button, and drop a comment below to join the conversation. Let's get started. Question: should I promote my videos on other platforms? Alright guys, I answer that question in detail, so watch the video till the end. Number 1. Why creators promote on other platforms. Promoting your video outside YouTube can be powerful because it drives traffic from audiences that may have never discovered you otherwise. For example, TikTok is amazing for quick attention. Instagram Reels can reach people who love visuals. Facebook groups can connect you with niche communities. All of these places can act like doorways that lead people straight into your YouTube channel. Number 2. The problem with overpromotion. But here's the downside. If all you do is copy-paste your YouTube links everywhere, most people will ignore them. Why? Because every platform is designed to keep people on their app, not send them to YouTube. So if you don't adapt your content to each platform, you'll waste time shouting into the void. That's why some creators say, I promoted everywhere and it didn't work. It's not about the link, it's about how you present it. Number 3, the smart way to cross-promote. The key is native promotion. Instead of just dropping a YouTube link, repurpose your video into smaller bites. For example, cut a 60-second highlight and post it on TikTok or Reels. End with, watch the full video on my YouTube channel. Take a key lesson from your video and turn it into a carousel post for Instagram. Write a mini blog or post on LinkedIn with insights, then link to your YouTube for deeper learning. This way, you're giving each platform its own unique content while pointing people back to your channel. It feels valuable instead of spamming. Number 4, does YouTube reward external traffic? Another question I hear a lot. Does YouTube even care about traffic from other platforms? The answer, yes, but only if those viewers stay and engage. If people click your link, then bounce after 10 seconds, it hurts your video. But if they watch the full video, like, and comment, YouTube notices. That tells the algorithm this content is strong, push it further. So, the quality of traffic matters way more than the quantity. And number 5, should you do it? So, should you promote on other platforms? The answer is yes, but strategically. If you're short on time, focus on YouTube first. Master your content, thumbnails, and titles here. Once you're consistent, start repurposing clips to TikTok, Instagram, or wherever your audience hangs out. Think of it as building bridges back to your main hub, your YouTube channel. So there you have it. Promoting on other platforms works if you do it smartly and focus on quality traffic, not just spamming links. What about you? Have you tried sharing your YouTube videos on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook? Did it actually help? Drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, hit that like button, and share this with another creator who's trying to grow. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep growing.